Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Leo placement. So, let's see. This is your November reading. Okay, so lahat na. Oh, so tayo yung nag-cleanse. Okay. So, kung may tanong, pagdating po sa private reading at sa ating mga charm, so you just message me. So, ito yan, nag-cleanse tayo. Diba? Ganyan yan. So, charm natin is meron tayong cord cutting, yung pangtanggal po ng blockages para dumaloy ng maganda ang inyong mga blessings, opportunities, yan, mga ganyan po, no? Bakit ganon? Bakit iba? Kasi sa iba, tinatanggal, kinakat yung mga tawag dyan, ties. Yung akin, iba, pinalawak ko. Okay po? So, kung ano man at kung sino man na nagbibigay sa iyo ng kabigatan, kasi nga, syempre, nakatali ka. Yun ang ating puputulin. Okay? So, panglahatan. So, pwede sa sarili mo, pwede sa bahay, pwede sa business. Okay? And syempre, yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So, ating cleanse. Okay, so si 2-in-1 love and money bracelet natin, meron siyang citrine stone. Citrine stone po is madalas sinatawag na the merchant stone or the money magnet. Okay? And syempre, kung gusto mo ito at ikaw ay lalaki, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. No problem. Okay? And yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter, siya naman yung taga-grant. Okay? Taga-grant po ng inyong mga minamanifest. Madalas, ang ina-advise ko is isama dito. Kung ipopurchase din naman ito, itong dalawa, isama na to. Okay? Para sure na rin. Para sure na rin po. Kung inyong sa tingin, is meron naman kayong mga evil eye. Okay, evil eye protection. So, ito yung ating mga evil eye protection. Ito yung necklace natin. Ito yung ring. Adjustable po ito, no? Meron din tayong bracelet. So, sa tingin ninyo, meron naman kayong ganyan. May protection naman kayo. Number 1, legit ba? Okay, and number 2, meron nga kayong ganyan, pero sa tingin nyo, parang hindi napasok yung mga blessings. Parang wala. Parang ang tagal. Meaning, some of you, okay, ang dahilan could be blockages. Na, ito ang nagtatanggal po, no? Yung ating cord cut. So, wala namang masama. Kung susubukan at maniniwala. Okay? So, let's start the reading, Leos. What's for you? Anong parating? Anong meron sa'yo ngayong November? Anong meron sa mga Leo placements this November? Empress in reverse. Why? The King of Swords. Meron ditong parang i-stop, magiging cold, magiging detached. Okay? Number 1 na rason is hindi nasisiyahan or wala ng progress. Meron din dito kung may nagpo-pursue at makikita ninyo na talagang naglalaylo, may chance po na nawala na po siya ng interest. Okay? Yeah. The Ace of Cups in reverse, meron pang ganito. I don't know, may chance po na nababagalan na. Merong nababagalan. Okay? Sa situation. What else for Leos? Six of Swords. The King of Pentacles. Some of you, kailangan yung malaman na meron ditong air or earth sign na focus nila is pera, career. They're grounded, they're guarded pagdating sa'yo, pero they're looking at you. Okay, they're looking at you, pero they're not stuck. They are not stuck. Their money, they're doing good pagdating po sa pera. Okay? Yeah, they are not stuck. Some of you, pwedeng same gender kayo. Okay, king, queen. Yan. Wala naman kasi ditong ano eh. Tawag dyan. Female or male, king, queen. This is all about energies. Okay, so what else, Leo? The Queen of Cups. And the Seven of Wands being... Okay, so meron dito ako nakikita na parang some of you, kung ikaw itong mabait, okay, you have to say no, limitations, kailangan this November. Pero kung meron kayong alam na person na really mabait sa'yo, mga ganyang bagay, open, nakikita ko dito na merong pag-withdraw na gagawin, like mag-step back yung person. I don't know why. Okay, let's see why. What's the reason? The High Priestess. Okay. This is their, sabihin nating intuition. Kicking. Okay, their intuition. Pwedeng may chance na ayaw lang din nila na makipag-usap, or in general, ayaw na lang talaga ng tao. Okay, mapapansin mo yung laging paghindi nito, pagtanggi, hindi pagiging available. Okay, some of them, meron pong secrets. I don't know kung ano yung secrets, pero, yeah, may mga nakatago. Yeah. Some of you could be options kung ito ay romantic. Pwede may nakakuha or makakuha ng atensyon ng tao. That is why maglalaylo, okay, or mag-step back. Yeah. So what else? Leo placements this November. Okay. Let's see the person you're thinking. Anong meron? The Chariot. Pwedeng hindi ka pa rin nakaka-move on from this person or sila. Yeah, no communications. No contact. No progress sa situation ninyo ng taong to. Okay? So, anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya? Temperance in reverse. They don't like the situation. Ayaw nilang situation ngayon. Okay? Ten of Pentacles, they're looking forward pagdating sa kanilang career. Yes, see? The Star. They're like, ayoko ng sitwasyon namin, pero yes, nakakainis yung ganito, pero hindi ko hahayaan sarili ko na malugmok. Okay? So, the Ten of Pentacles is here. Energy is pwedeng focusing on their money, career in general. Money. Okay? So, stability. Yeah. The Devil. So, medyo mahirap. Medyo toxic to pagdating sa kanya. Kung hindi kayo magkausap, yeah. Ayaw niya nun. Okay? So, oops. Somebody is attracted sa'yo, pero they're silent. Etong may gusto sa'yo, Leo, may chance na patago lang. Okay? Mahanga sa'yo, patago, pero hindi nila papaalam. So, let's see all signs. So, mabilis ang reading lang. Aries through Pisces, Leos. Okay? Leo. Aries through Pisces. Aries, they need you. Taurus, they're backing away. Self-centered. Guarded, grounded. Gemini, feeling a strong connection or felt a strong connection with you. Cancer, there's this imbalance. Okay, so Leo, okay, they want communication, they need you. So Virgo, they're waiting for you. Some of them, itong Virgo na to, may chance na para silang nasa crossroads. Okay? Parang some of them, ang nakikita ko dito is magmamatigas pa ba ako or hindi na? Parang ganun. So, Libra, they're trying to forget kung anong meron sa inyo or kung anong naging meron sa inyo. Pero they still felt the strong connection, feeling the strong connection still. So, Scorpio, gusto nila ng forgiveness. Sagittarius, selfish. Capricorn, no energy ng start. Okay, there's always the delay pending. Aquarius, their back is turned. Some of them, they're not talking about the truth. May chance na parang filtered kung ano man. Some of them, merong mga nakatago. Pisces, okay, they need you. They're craving for you. They are sad. Pero, parang sabi nating mali. They need to let go of you. Parang ganun. Pero, para sila naglalaban. Parang naglalaban yung isip at damdamin ni Pisces. So there, yun ang aking reading for you. Leo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung isa nating YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.